Today I'm going to show you how to do a back loop only single crochet. You might see this written in a pattern as BLO in all caps for back loops only and lowercase sc for single crochet. This stitch is super simple and it can create really pretty ridges in your crochet projects. You can use this with just about any crochet stitch, including a half double crochet, treble crochet, etc. But for this tutorial, I'll be using single crochets. So let's make a small swatch just to get a feel for how this works and looks. We will do 10 single crochets across, so we need to chain 11 because we need 1 for a turning chain. And for this tutorial, I'm using a 5mm crochet hook and 100% acrylic worsted weight yarn. For row 1, we will work in the back loop only of the chains and place a single crochet in the second chain from the hook as well as each chain across. When you reach the end, you should have 10 single crochets. Now chain 1 and turn your work. Here's where we really start the back loop only stitch. If you look at the top of your stitches, you'll see 2 loops. The front loop closest to you and the back loop farther away. Instead of inserting your hook under both loops like a normal single crochet, you'll insert your hook only under the back loop. And you'll just do a single crochet like normal by yarning over, pulling up a loop, yarning over, and pulling through both loops. And that is one back loop only single crochet. You'll continue placing one single crochet in the back loop of every stitch across. At the end, you should have 10 single crochets again. Again, you will chain 1 and turn your work. You will repeat the same process as row 2 over and over until you reach your desired length. As you keep going, you'll start seeing these nice ridges forming across the fabric. That texture is what makes back loop only crochet so pretty for dishcloths, blankets, hats, etc. And that's it. That's how you do a back loop only single crochet. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like and follow for more crochet tutorials.